Hi students, how are you ma'am? Are you fine? I hope everyone is fine. Did you study? Previous class I have completed civics lesson, okay? So you learned I think book exercises and question answer. Everyone learned thoroughly ma'am? Yes. So today I plan to teach history second lesson, human evaluation. Okay, human evaluation. Human means we all are humans. Okay ma? Evaluation means what ma? Evaluation gradual changes leading to a more advanced development. Okay, gradual changes it happened. Some changes happen in the human's life. Okay, some changes has happened in the human life. Okay, so that in this lesson we will study about to know the origin of humans, to learn about the different stages of human evaluation from nomadic hunting gathering to be settled life. Okay, so in this lesson I will explain this. So everyone take your social book students, turn page number 119. One picture has given. Have you seen this picture ma? Have you seen this picture? Step by step it is there. Okay, first what ma? Earth. Okay, this is what Earth. We are living in which planet? Earth. Okay ma? So step by step it is. Okay, 400 years ago, 4,000 crores years ago, what? Earth universal. Okay ma? Then 20 lakhs years ago, man started to walk. Okay, then next, so the step by step, and then later modern man. Okay, modern man. Okay, so like that the development, the stages will be there. Okay, human has developed. Okay, so here also Tamilini Tamilini conversation method. This lesson also that same. Okay, in the previous lesson also Tamilini story conversation it is, isn't it? Tamilini and mother. Okay, here Tamilini and grandma. So Tamil is studying in 6th standard. Okay, Tamil she is a school student. Okay ma. Then he planned to visit the science center. Okay, he planned to visit the science center. Okay, with her grandmother. Okay, with her grandmother. Okay, so they saw a time machine. Okay, they saw a time machine. Okay, time machine means what ma? One machine it is. Okay ma, time. So everyone have the clock in your home. They have the clock, isn't it ma? So we can see the time, isn't it? But in this science center, this machine is different. Okay ma, time machine is there. In this time machine, different year, how the people will be, what are the characters it is. So like that they set up. Okay, in this machine. Okay ma, like that they set it in this machine. Okay, so that is what ma, time machine. Okay, so in this time machine, there they saw a time machine. The operator of the time machine explained the working of the machine. Okay, one operator will be there in this science center. Tamilini and grandma went to visit the science center. In that time, they saw the time machine, isn't it pa? In this time machine here, one operator will be there. Operator, what they will do? They will operate the machine, isn't it pa? So the operator is explained how it will work in this machines. So like that this operator is explaining to Tamilini and her grandmother. Okay ma. So operator, if you press different buttons in the machine, in this machine many buttons will be there children. If we can press one button, if we can press any button, what it will would take you to the chosen period of time. Okay, chosen period of time. That means what? That 1980 how it will be, 1960 how it will be, in this year how the people will be. So like that they set up in this time machine. Okay, so the operator is explaining that. After listening to the operator, both Tamilini and her grandmother were excited and decided to have the experience of the time machine. Okay, so they understood. Okay, the operator has explained it like this. So it is amazing only, isn't it pa? We can see that. Then Tamilini, can you go forward and see how 2200 AD would be grandma? Okay, so they plan to press the button 2200 how it will be. Okay, so grandma, what is so interesting about our future in 2200 AD? Tamil, let's go backward and see how our past was like. Okay, so like that they pressed and what are they backward they pressed and watching clearly. Okay, Tamilini, you sound right, grandma. Grandma pushed the button 2950 AD. Okay, grandma pushed this button. Tamilini pushed 2200. How it will be? 2200 means what? Now the year is 2000. 2021, isn't it? So he planned to say 2200 how it will be. So somewhat amazing it is, isn't it? So the grandma later what they did, they pushed the button in which year? 1950 how it will be. They saw mostly people walking, a few riding bicycle and buses appearing rarely on the roads. Okay, so while pushing in this button 1950, how the people will be? Peoples are walking. Mostly the peoples are walking and riding the bicycle and buses appearing rarely on the roads. Okay, very busy roads in the always they are walking and they are riding the bicycles. Okay, in 1950 in this year. So slowly they moved back to 1850 how it will be. There were no buses on cycles. Okay, so in that year, think it students, 1850. In that year, no buses and what ma? No bicycle also. Okay, then carts pulled by mules and bullocks were seen on the roads. Horses drawn cart was a rare occurrence. Okay. So in that time 1850 how it will be, no ma? No buses and no cycle also. Then the carts will be there. The carts is pulled by mules and buffaloes also. They are carrying the loads. Okay. So like that it will be. Then Tamilini then turned the button to 8000 years back. Okay. Then Tamilini again they press the button 8000 years back how it will be. The people were engaged in raising crops and livestock. Okay, so the people are very engaged with water. Raising crops and livestock. They are stocking that. Okay, then she pushed the button to get. Okay, ma. Then later he pushed the button to get a picture of life 8000 years ago. She saw the human living in caves. Okay, 18,000 years ago, how it will be? The peoples are living in caves. They were using tools made of stones and bones for hunting. Okay, so what stones only they used for tools. Okay, then the bones for hunting. Tamilini was frightened by the hunting scenes and pushed the button forward to return to the present. Okay, so finally what here Tamilini are afraid. Okay, they changed the button and push the button and return to the present. See ma, the people how they live in the caves. Okay, they live in this caves. Okay ma, so they used stones. They used stones. Okay ma. So grandma, are you afraid Tamil? Grandma urged Tamilini to go further backward to see the ancient humans lived with the apes. But Tamilini was no inclined, so both of them left the spot. Okay, so they discuss about, they pushed the button and they saw the different type of people. So finally what happened ma? 18,000 years ago, while seeing the people, Tamilini afraid. So grandma is advising that you don't worry ma. Before they lived, how they lived ma? Okay, so we are telling that. So Tamilini, grandma, will you tell me tell me the story of evaluation of humans? Okay, so Tamilini is asking questions to grandmama. Grandma, will you tell me the story of evaluation of humans? Evaluation means, you know ma, gradual changes it happened in the human's life. Okay, so grandma, yes, certainly grandma is explaining. Anthropologists have unearthed the footprints of humans in a country called Tanzania, which is Eastern Africa. They were found in rock beds submerged under the sand. Okay, students. So grandma is explaining about how the human evaluation will be. Anthropologist will be there. Okay, anthropologist has found footprints. Footprints means Okay, the foot. If you can walk, the footprints will be there, isn't it? It will pressed in the sand, isn't it? So we got this evidences in where Tanzania. Okay, it is in Eastern Africa. It is in which Africa? Eastern direction, Eastern Africa. Okay, ma. So anthropologists correctly they found this information. Okay, so we come to know what the man lived in this side. Okay, the man lived in the side. Rock bed submerged under the sand. Okay, ma. Then here also stages of human evaluation will be there. Different stages is given. Okay, different stages is given. Today you should take your book and read this. Okay, ma. Read this and we will discuss in this Zoom app. Okay, ma. Okay, students. So nothing, students. How the developments will be, it is given. Detailing it is given with the picture. Okay, they called differently. Okay, ma. So how Australopithecus. Okay, then Homo habilis, Homo erectus, then Neanderthal. Okay, Homo sapiens. Then Cro-Magnon, the present man. Okay, so the name also it is given. The picture also clearly it is given. Okay, students. So just you read this. Okay, ma. So anthropology means what, ma? Anthropology is only found the footprints, isn't it, pa? It is in Eastern African side. Okay. So anthropologist means what, ma? This anthropology is the study of humans and evolutionary history. Okay, he will learn history. What history, ma? Human and evolutionary history. Okay, evolutionary history. So the word anthropology is derived from two Greek words. Anthropos meaning man or humans. Okay, so anthropos means what, ma? Man or human. Okay, and logos meaning thought or reason. Thought or reason. So anthropologists attempt by investigating the whole range of human development and behavior to achieve a total descriptions of cultural and social phenomena. Okay, so anthropology means what, ma? They will study the human evaluation. Okay, so totally how the changes it's happened, everything clearly this anthropologist will learn. Okay, at the same time what they will do? They will do the research work also. Okay, if any evidences if he found means what they will do? They will inform to the people and inform to the government also. Okay, students. So like that it will be. Anthropologist will do like this. So later on, radiocarbon dating was used to ascertain the period. If it was found out that the footprints of humans they had discovered were about 3.5 million years old. Okay, students, one method they will use, in different types of, in different area, Keeladi everyone knows, isn't it, pa? Keeladi, at present Keeladi what they are doing? Many archaeologists, they are doing the research work, okay? They got such a type of part work, broken pieces and all. These pieces and all, what they will do? This archaeologist, carefully they will take this type of pieces and all, okay? And they will do the research, okay? If this pieces belongs to in which year, in which period people has used this, everything they will do the research work. Okay, ma? This archaeologist will do that. Okay, ma? So this archaeologist what they did, ma? They are doing this type of research work. Okay, so one method they will use. Okay, radiocarbon dating method. Okay, radiocarbon dating method. With the help of this method, we can find which year it belongs to. Everything we can we will get the correct information. Okay. Okay, ma, radiocarbon dating method. Clear, children? So the adapter, humans have thus evolved over millions of years, adapting themselves to the changing times. Okay, so they settled in these places, and what automatically the changes will happen. Changes will happen. Okay, so first the man live in the forest, isn't it? So now we settled in which place, mom? Beautiful buildings, isn't it? Step by step it is. So first the man, it's very difficult to hold the things. Okay, ma? Hold the things means the hand will be like this. If he can give any things, any stone or any items, it will fell down. Okay, so later the man what they did? They hold the things. Okay, so like that the development changes. Okay, changes. First, the man not have this type of awareness. So writing also that same, no writing systems, isn't it? So later the man what they did, live in the forest and in the rock side they scribbled something. They draw the pictures and all. Okay, so like that the development it happened in the ancient period. Clear? Clear, students? Then people and their habitat. Okay, people and their habitat. Many people. So the step by step it is given, students. Australopithecus, East Africa members, peoples. Okay. Then Homo habilis, South Africa. Homo erectus, Africa and Asia. Neanderthal, Eurasia, Europe and Asia. Cro-Magnons, France. Then Peking, China. Homo sapiens, Africa. Heidelberg's, London. Okay, ma? Okay, so like that, the people and their habits. The habit is different, okay? Remaining portion I will teach you later, okay, ma? Remaining portions I will teach you in the next class. Okay, students? Okay, ma? Then book exercises I am going to give, okay? Choose the correct answer. The process of evaluation is gradual. Okay, the process of evaluation is gradual. Tanzania is situated in the continent of Africa. Tanzania is situated in the continent of Africa. The process of evaluation is gradual. Tanzania is situated in the continent of Africa. Then statement, migration of man of different parts of the world resulted in changes of physics and color. Statement and reason is correct. Reason, climatical changes. C is the correct answer. Okay, ma? Statement and reason is correct. Find out the right pair. Homo erectus, Weismann. Homo erectus, Weismann. C is the correct answer. Fill in the blanks. Anthropologist overhead the footprints of early humans in Tanzania. Anthropologist. Okay, in earth the footprints the early humans in Tanzania. Millions of years ago, our ancestors led a nomadic life. Nomadic life means what? They live in, they will move from one place to another. Okay, okay, ma. Then the main occupation of the ancient humans were hunting and gathering. The invention of plows made farming easier. Rock paintings are found at Porivarai cave in Nilgiris. State true or false? Anthropology is the study of coins. False. Homo erectus had the knowledge of fire. True. The first scientific invention of humans was wheel. True. Goat was the first animal to be domesticated by humans. False. Okay. So study this one words. Okay, ma'am? Will you study, ma'am? Will you study? Remaining portions I will teach you into the next class. Okay. Thank you, students.